Ayan, hello guys, hello. Welcome back to my channel. This area is here at Kolontong Festival Walk, nearby Festival Walk. Let's go up. Just beside of Festival Walk. When you're tired shopping in the shopping mall, you can come here to relax. You can come here, sit and relax.
Mama.
Yes.
It's a house.
Where?
I have a house.
Oh, it's so many plants here. It's so beautiful.
Mommy, we want to go down.
Let's go up here. They have so many plants over here. So many plants. Nangunguna na yung aking bida-bida sa pasyalan. Do not feed cats. Oh, it means have cats here? Oh, maybe we can find where is the cat. We can find where is the cat. And then here is the cottage. And you can stay and sit here. Yeah. But they said, for quiet environment, please keep your voice down. Yeah, because I think it's so many animals. I don't know which one. But they said you have to keep your voice low. Okay, come on, hurry up. Let's go back. Let's go to the other side. Yeah. Oh, and then you can see this beautiful fountain.
Mommy.
So, ayan guys. Diyan kami galing. And then, dito tayo. Dito na yung end niya, guys. Tapos, pabalik naman doon sa baba mamaya. Ipakita ko sa inyo, don't worry. So, we just stay here for a few minutes. And see this beautiful fountain. Yeah, it's really beautiful. You can hear the natural sound of the water. It's so beautiful. Sophie, be careful. Pag narinig mo yung tubig guys, parang natural na nasa ilog ka. Sophie, don't go up. Come down. They're not allowed you to go up. It's so dangerous. Yeah. Tapos yan pataas, hindi ko alam kung anong nandyan. Siguro yan papunta dyan sa mga building na yan sa taas. Anyway, come here.
We go up here.
No, I don't know where to go there. So, no need to go up. So, we just, yeah. We just go in here. Pero alam ko maraming ano dito. Mosquito. Ayan. Ang ganda diba guys? Oh, greeny. So greeny. Okay, come on. So, ayan. Wait. Down. Ayan. Ang daming bulaklak dito, magaganda. Okay, wait. Let's go down here. Let's go down here. Ayan. Ang ganda nito, guys. Oh. So beautiful flower. Parang orchids. Sophie, come here. Ayan, guys. Napakaganda. So, bali itong tubig dito, guys. Hindi siya natural. I mean, of course, natural na tubig. Pero I mean, hindi siya natural na ilog. Kundi ginawa lang siya, guys. Ayan. Pero ang ganda kasi maririnig mo talaga yung paglagaslas ng tubig. Ayan. What are you thinking?
I see the water.
What do you see? What did you see?
Water.
Water. So, ayan guys. Ayan, may mga upuan dito. Ang sarap mag-ano dito, magtambay. Kasi tahimik. Ayan. Mga maririnig mo lang is mga huni ng ibon. Ha? Oh, ano kaya ito? Ano siya? Hindi ko alam tawag niyan. Ayan. Are you tired? Pagod na siguro itong kasama ko. Ayan, basta maganda dito. Ayan, maganda. Daming nagde-date dito pagka ano, linggo, weekend. Ito, pagod na itong kasama ko. Okay, let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go.
I go in the toilet.
Yes.
I want to go, Mama.
Okay, let's go. Ayan, maganda rin ito. Diba maganda? Oh, let's go. Let's go. O, diba? Kung napansin nyo, meron dyan nag-date. Ang sarap maupo dito, guys. Lalo na pag yung hindi siya masyadong mainit. Kasi tahimik siya. Oh, ayun yung dalawa. Kanina pa nagde-date yung dalawa na yun. Mapapasana all ka na lang. O, diba ang sweet nila? Oh, yeah. They have butterfly. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda, guys. Beautiful butterfly here. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. But it's not real. Okay, let's go. No need to walk there. Just walk. Yes. Just in the center. No need to run. No need to run. Nakita na naman siya. Akala niya siguro playground na naman yun. Ang ganda dito, guys. Talagang Marami kang makikitang mga punong kahoy. Ayan. Mga dinesign nila na mga malalaking bato na hindi ko alam kung talagang nandyan yan or nilagay nila. Ayan, yung mga malalaking bato na yan. So, ayan, maganda rin yung mga pag-design nila ng mga halaman na yan. Malalaking halaman na yan. Ayan, maraming mga dito, maraming mga punong kahoy, guys. Na, talaga siya. Parang hiking trail, pero hindi naman siya hiking trail kasi hindi naman siya, mataas. At saka dito lang naman talaga ito. Hindi siya mahabang lakarin. May nakita kasi siyang mga bata dyan, kaya yan. Sabi siguro niya gusto niya rin maglaro. Ayan. Sobrang init. So, ayan. May mga naglalaro dyan ng mga bata. Sabi ni Sophie, maglaro din daw siya. Sabi ko, hindi naman niya kaya kasi mataas. So, ayan guys. Bali guys, yan yung shopping mall na Festival Walk. Ayan. So, dito lang sa niya. Sa likod niya lang guys. Yes?
I want to go Diamond Park.
You wanna go to the other one park? So, ayan.
This one, Mom.
So, ayan dito sa baba, meron din silang mga upuan dyan, pwedeng magtambay. Ayan. May mga nakatambay dyan. Tapos, meron din silang toilet dito, malapit. So, nandito na lahat, guys. Wala ka ng ibang hahanapin. Ayan, yung MTR naman dyan sa kabila. Ayan. So, magandang tumambay dito, guys, pagka-holiday. Saka kung malapit kayo dito, pwede kayo magtambay dito. Ayan. Daming halaman.
Mommy.
Ayan yung Festival Walk. So, ayan. Pauwi na rin kami ng bahay. So, hanggang dito na lang po ang aking video. Thank you. Bye.